Yes, ma'am.
Amiga!
Who that? Trevor? What one?
There, I know. What you say? Everything good?
Yeah, man. Everything good. Come in, no? Show you what going. This way. This way. Day by day, you know. Things get more, we stock up more.
I want. Look at business are going. Yeah. It's nice, you know, Amiga. I know you as a hustler, you know.
You know my style from ever since.
Can't see, say you put the money to go to the house.
Thanks for your own, man.
A simple thing that, man.
I can't start pay back in a March, you know.
Alright. That sound good.
So all the interest part I go.
Amiga, you're my baby mother friend. You see me? Me not charge you no interest. All you have to do, just put a little thing on it. That's all. You see me?
Alright, boss.
Yeah, man. Me rate when a woman ambitious, you know. Here what? Get me a bottle of water.
Alright. Boy. That's me, you know. Ambitious. I get the water.
Not too cold, yeah?
Take care.
Yes.
You can ask you something?
Anything.
Bev. Oh, she make you get it from her.
Bev the too loose, man.
Loose is what she is. Me that try make you know.
Hey, after me get deeply involved with her, no, me know that, you know. Them time that she's pregnant already.
Me can tell you something.
What that?
I made it like you.
For real?
But she run in. So me just step back. You know.
First, me I know that. But anyway, how things really are go with the business?
The place I go on, the area we really need a little shop like this.
Which is right. Cause you don't see no more shop like this, boy. A beer supermarket.
The shop here mostly cater to the early morning people and the night owls, you understand?
Yeah, can see. Monday to Saturday, 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. Things are going, man. You run things after all supermarket lock.
Yeah, man. No matter the hour me there, you see me, the people them find me as work done. I guess so.
Yeah, man, I see that. It's even soup Fridays. What going on a Friday about? Just sauce soup?
No sauce or soap. No, sir. On a Friday, we have fish. We have fried chicken. We have, look here, you know, fry up, jerk up, soap, bammy, breadfruit, everything line out. Out yourself on a Friday.
Yo, big things are going, man. Yo, me have to go pass through one of them Friday. Yeah. A whole a swim around, you see it?
Yeah. And listen, no. Every Friday we have a different type of soap. You understand? So you know, say we have crayfish soup. Yeah, on such Friday. We have red pea soup, we have pumpkin soup, and you name the type of soup, fish soup, any soup.
Tell me so.
I got it there.